Welcome to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today we'll be doing part 2 of the bacon cure video, and the finished product turned out really well. Little salty, and that's just because I used fine plain salt instead of a coarse grind salt. So that's one thing that I would recommend, is using a coarse grind to help offset some of the saltiness along with the brown sugar. Finished product turned out really well. So we'll get started on part 2. I just wanted to fill y'all in on a few things. Finished product did turn out really nice. So we'll get started with that. Thanks for tuning in. Right at 200 degrees on the smoker. Cured bacon is on. We'll smoke the bacon for about 3 hours till we reach an internal temperature of 150 degrees. Stay tuned. About an hour in. It's coming along nicely. Starting to get some color to it. We'll keep an eye on it. Okay. We're about 2.5 hours in now. We'll check our internal temperature. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. We're good. Here we have the finished product. The bacon turned out nicely. Good smoke ring. Hardwood smoked. I used pecan on this. So we'll let it cool down completely. Get it in the fridge. And then we'll slice it.